DK Agarwal.
Mr. Subhashji.
I would say DKG.
Azim Premji.
Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi.
Mr. MS Dhoni. I believe that hard work is the foundation.
Smart work is something which is very relevant in today's world. You have to be, you have to be a smart worker because there is a easier way of doing everything.
Smart working and hard working go along. Like in the beginning of lockdown also, we had to be both smart worker and hard workers. In my case, what I did was I delegated much of the things to the HODs so that they also feel responsible and they also contribute.
Necessity is the mother of invention. We all know that.
So me and my team had decided some points that we will, start during the lockdown.
The first and foremost thing that we did was drafted the work from home policy and rolled it out to all the employees.
One should have one activity that they like, which helps them, which makes them happy.
I conducted video conference with all my HODs and my different departments. That way I ensured that if I do a VC with them, then they will be habitual of the fact that this is how we are going to operate.
They should have a spot in their house where with a chair and desk so that they feel like office.
I think we are achieving 110% productivity. This is a module which we can even implement when the world is back to normal, as I say.
काल करे सो आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय आएगी, बरूरी करेगा कब.
I would say time management go haywire in the first month.
What we need is to treat Monday as Monday and to treat Sunday as Sunday.
I've also advised people to have a checklist.
That is required just because so that at the weekend you can enjoy yourself as you used to do before.
You should have short-term targets but goal-oriented approach.
I really appreciate and admire how my employees adopted to it, and it's fun. It's new. It's fun. It's good.
He's so much into cricket. Everywhere his passwords are very much, cricket related. So I think I've given it up now and he better change it.
We all survive on water, but this guy survives on tea. He's a literal teetotaler.
She is our Oxford Dictionary. She is always correcting everyone's pronunciation.
So for Anshika, I would say that she has a wardrobe in her room which she uses as a whiteboard and writes all the tasks she has to do today.
You will not see the same phone in his hand for more than 5 or 6 months, or the same goggles.
For Pranay, I would say that वो दिखता बहुत पतला है पर वो खाता बहुत ज़्यादा है. In fact, even after dinner, he can have 3 ice creams at consecutively. So one message that I would like to give to all the my team and all the SNCNs is that it is an investment tip, but no, it's not a stock or a share, but it's a thing that you should invest in yourself. This is a time which is called me time. So now this is your time.
So I think we all are really lucky that we have got these 2-3 months to ourselves. So I think this is the time we have, and we should look at the greater good and utilize every opportunity that we have and just be optimistic about the whole thing.
I think I want my employees to work as owners.
Do that thing which you always feared, like public speaking or किसी का fear है, so get away with that. Do something hobby that you missed, like you always wanted to learn guitar classes, so join guitar classes online.
We need that kind of people who are not yes sir people, just not yes ma'am people. We need the change catalyst.
So I want to say to all the employees of SNC and my entire team that just go ahead and appreciate the little things in life. That is the most important, and be grateful for what we have.